Hi, and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. If you'd like to see how I got these wash and go results using the brand new sea moss collection from the Curls brand, please keep watching. So I'm starting out on straightened hair. Whenever you wash your hair after straightening, please make sure you brush it out. And when you get in the shower or wherever you wash your hair, please make sure you completely saturate your hair. Since I'm sticking with the sea moss collection, I use their shampoo as my hair wash. It's the Powerhouse Sea Moss Cleanser. If you would like to see my detailed wash routine, comment wash down below. Since this collection didn't come with a rinse out conditioner, I just used a conditioner I had in the shower, and then I proceeded to deep condition my hair with the sea moss deep conditioner. So my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. This is my first wash since cutting my hair. It looks so short, but I kind of like it. So after using this 92 vitamins and minerals conditioner from the sea moss collection, my hair feels amazing. It feels really, really good, and I could tell as I was washing it out that it was going to be feeling really nice. So now I'm going to move on to styling, and I have to decide which styler I want to use. So let's go through each of the stylers. First, we have a Moisture Magnet Sea Moss Curl Cream. The directions say use Moisture Magnet Sea Moss Curl Cream daily or as often as needed to detangle, condition, moisturize, and define curls. Ideal for curlies that prefer a no-hold natural look. Great leave-in conditioning cream before using a gel or mousse. All right, so this would be a step 1. Put that right here. Then we have the Nourish and Shine Sea Moss Foam. This says apply Nourish and Shine Sea Moss Foam to freshly cleanse hair to define and defrizz curls. Use on dry hair to touch up and revive flat curls. So this could be used either way. Maybe we'll use this as a refresher. I'm not sure yet. We're going to put this over here. And last but not least is this Sea Slip Mineral Infused Curl Slime. The directions for this one says apply Sea Slip Mineral Infused Curl Slime to wet, freshly cleansed hair to create shiny, frizz-free, defined curls. Allowed to air dry. And in caps, it says do not use in conjunction with other stylers or creams or leave-in conditioners to avoid flakes. So I guess I can't use this with this because it says don't use it with a leave-in. And this is a leave-in. I really want to use this slime. All right, next time we're going to use the curl cream and the foam. But today we'll be using the curl slime. So we're styling with the curl slime. It says do not use with a leave-in, a cream, or anything. So we're just going to put this right in. Okay, so I'm going to start with the back. I'm going to clip up the front. My hair is drying out, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. This says to wet hair. So I'm going to wet my hair. So I'm going to split it in half. Oh, this is a really thick jelly kind of thing. So I'm just going to, oh, I see. Okay, so I completely see why it says don't mix with other things. This would definitely cause a mess if mixed with other items. Ooh, I really like how this feels. Wow. I think I should give finger curling a try. Let me know down below in the comments if you think I should do a video finger curling my hair. Especially since it's shorter now, I think that would be more enjoyable for me. So let me know what you think about that. can I explain it? Like when you pick it up, it doesn't want to get squished together right away. So going on to this next section. I'm just bringing it down. I'm gonna try to not have a middle part and see how that comes out. I don't like having a middle part. It just makes it easier with styling. I usually like a side part. This is the start of my problem area, so I'm just focusing on making sure the product goes in that area and pulling my hair down. We'll see how it comes out when everything is dried. We'll look back at that area and hopefully it's okay. Stubborn. Other side of my problem zone. Just gonna keep pulling it through there until it looks like it got enough of everything. So I did my whole hair and I still have all of this left. So yeah, I did use a good amount, I think. That looks like it'll last for a good amount of wash and goes if this all turns out well. Now I have to wait for this to dry. It shouldn't take as long because my hair is shorter, but my hair does sometimes feel like it takes forever to dry. I'll be back when it's all dry and I'll let you know how I feel about this whole new CMOS collection line from the Curls brand. See you soon. Hi, I'm here to do a quick check-in before I do my final review and thoughts of these products. So far, my hair has a great amount of shine. My curls are defined, very defined, and there's a soft hold. It's not very crunchy, but you can feel that there is a hold. It is now a few hours after I styled, as you saw earlier. I'm gonna see how long this wash and go lasts, and I'll let you know. And I also will do the wash and go with the cream and the foam. I'm very interested in seeing how that turns out. So everything is really defined and, like I said, shiny. Hi, I'm back with my third day hair. It is looking pretty good to me. I do have some frizz on the top and a little bit of white stuff coming out, more in the bottom, and I see some in different areas. Other than that, I really do like this product, this slime that I used in my hair. Yesterday, my problem area was more defined. Today, it's a little less defined, and it may be because when I sleep, it goes up like this. It might have stretched it out a bit. If I had to go, see, as I do this, I see some flakes. Maybe I used a little too much of the product in each section. Next time I try it, I will try to do a little less and maybe on wetter hair so I don't have to use as much product. But the hold is really nice and soft. I could go out like this if I wanted to without doing anything to it because I really feel like this is what I would expect anyway. But I'm gonna try to refresh it and then come back and let you know how it is. Okay, so here are my final results. I just refreshed the front a little bit. Just added water and fluffed it out. And I have to say that I really, really liked this wash and go. I'm gonna try it again because I did say I got some white flakes. They weren't big flakes, but there were parts where I removed my hair and white would fall. I'm gonna try it again, but the results I got from my first time makes me want to try it again and do it again. So I think that so far this line has been great. If you can see my hair, I did add a little bit of oil to the outside area and the ends where I just felt like I needed to add oil, but before that it was already shiny. If you saw in the other clip, that was before I added anything. I'm really happy with these results. I really am. So I think you should try it out. I will do another video when I use these items again in the future. And I do have the other styling products that I do want to try out. And that is the Moisture Magnet Sea Moss Curl Cream and the Nourish and Shine Sea Moss Foam. So when I do that, I will record that and put that out for everyone to see. But I'm really loving these results. So let me know what you think down below, and I will see you in the next video. I do plan on getting a video out with that Mael Sea Moss line 2. I might do a half and half comparison, so stay tuned for that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Also, I'd like to hear from you. Please let me know what you think I should do down below for the next Sea Moss wash and go. Should I do the curl cream and the foam from Curls? Should I do only Mael, or should I do half and half with Curls and Mael? Please let me know down below. I would love to know what you'd like to see, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.